And so what happens is well-intentioned financial people, they actually want to do what's best for their client. It's hard to do what's best because just like a doctor has Big Pharma in their ear during their entire undergrad because they've infiltrated the system and they become a customer service rep for pills, that's what happens is wealth advisors become customer service reps for Wall Street. And the reality is there's such a high payout. Like if I didn't know any better and I issued 401ks, I'd be worth over $100 million just from issuing 401ks, just from the number of clients I've worked with over the last 25 years, from the way that I could be able to speak. And the reason is I would get paid 1% of every dollar that's in the plan, right? 1%. So if I had $1 billion in there, that's $10 million a year. But if I go to sell that business, I get 10 to 15 times EBITDA as an exit. So it's an insane exit if I sell that book of business. And so what we've got is a situation where, hey, people say things like, I'm a fiduciary. Well, all that really means is that they're getting paid a percentage of your assets. It's supposed to be, I put your interest first, but it's hard to put someone's interest first if the way you get paid is getting a percentage of assets, right? It's just a good story. It doesn't necessarily translate to being the very best thing for the client. Just like, if I'm going to see an allopathic medicine general practitioner, they're basically going to offer me pills, because if they don't offer enough pills, pharma audits them and says, why is it you're not prescribing as much? You're going to get less of a bonus, and we're going to figure out and audit why you're not doing this, because again, we give them authority as a customer, but they're released of their authority inside of a broken system. And that's the same thing happening in finance. Big Pharma and Big Wall Street is basically the same thing. It's just a different world, health or wealth.